Okay, so I went ahead and washed my hair and I let it air dry. Okay, so this wig is a little on the small side, but to make it fit, I'm gonna have to stretch it, and hopefully that works. And I did go through and bleach my knots a little bit because I wanted it perfect. All right, so let me do this really quick so I can see what I'm working with. I'm gonna be using my Erica J Hold Me Down Lace Adhesive. I have to go somewhere tomorrow, so this needs to look good. I'm gonna do it in sections because I'm too scared. Right in front of my wig cap. Okay, trust the process at this point. Help me, Lord. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning, first of all. All right, let's do this really quick. Okay, we cooking with hot grease here. Cut this lace. Okay. Add some makeup. Okay, baby hair, without a doubt. Okay, just watch me work with the baby hair. I'm doing me a small little middle swoop, a little something. In the morning I'll fluff these out. Should I do a middle part or side part? Ooh, maybe a side part. Okay, I don't got much lace. Got a little some. Yeah. Side part me. Wax stick. I don't know. I'm going to go to sleep. Yeah, I'm going to sleep. It is 4:08 in the morning. Okay, good night. Okay, so it's the next morning. Let's see what we're working with. Okay, this is a style within itself. Let me get these curls back popping. If I didn't have it set in my mind that I wanted to define my curls, I would leave it just like this. So I have water and conditioner. I'm gonna just use a little bit of conditioner. Okay, so this is how I define my curls. Water first. And see, my curls are defined, but add a little conditioner. And you see that just define my curls a little bit better. And his hair been processed and bleached. Curls still popping. Ooh. Look at the difference. He'll get over it. Pick these out. They really kept the shape. But see, they're fluffy. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna let it dry. Okay, see, something slight. My hair is still kind of damp and it's rainy and cool outside, so this. So it's dry for the most part. Whatever, I gotta go. At this point, I'm rushing. A little sheen. Okay, so I'm actually glad I didn't do like a style because it looks really good in its natural curly state. Okay, I'm done for real. All right, this is it.